Hey there, I'm Dr. Kate Kresge, here to show you how easy it is to move your practice's Rupa account data over to Fullscript. Whether your clinic employs 5 or 50 staff members, this step-by-step guide is going to walk you through the process so your entire team can make the switch without missing a beat. Once your account is eligible to make the move to Fullscript, your practice's designated account owner will be notified via email and in their lab orders dashboard. The account owner will be responsible for leading the charge and moving your practice's Rupa account to Fullscript. From the time you're notified, you'll have 14 days to complete the move for your practice. So make sure you talk to your staff and select the day within those 2 weeks that works the best for everyone involved. You can also make sure that you give everyone time to get familiar with labs on Fullscript. When you're ready to make the switch, just sign into your Rupa account, where you can schedule the move to Fullscript. Hit the Schedule Now button and review how the transfer will work on your scheduled date. You'll see the data that will be transferred, how new lab orders will work, and how the move to Fullscript will work for your patients. From there, you'll be prompted to sign into your Fullscript account. If you don't have an existing Fullscript account, don't worry. You'll be able to create an account right within the flow. It will only take a few additional clicks. Once signed into Fullscript, you'll be asked to authorize access to your Rupa data. Confirm your account details to schedule the move for your practice. If you're moving to an existing Fullscript account, you can connect your team members by matching their Rupa accounts. And if they don't have one, don't fret. You can simply invite them to create one. You're almost there. All you have to do is select a date to complete the move. We'll take care of the rest. All of your Rupa account data, order history, client lists, favorites, blood panels, bundles, preferred phlebotomists, and text snippets will be prepped and transferred seamlessly off hours between 1 and 4 a.m. EST on your move date. This way, you can hit the ground running first thing in the morning. Once the move is completed, your entire staff will be notified via email. They can sign into their Fullscript account or set up a new one. Upon landing in your Fullscript account, we'll offer a quick tour so everyone can get familiar with the new workflows, including where to find past Rupa orders and how to place new ones. Then, simply sign the lab's Terms of Service and Business Agreement. Set custom fees, give everything one last review, and you're good to go to place new lab orders. The next time your patient logs into Rupa after you've made the switch, they'll be seamlessly redirected to Fullscript to view their lab information or purchase new tests. The process is quick and straightforward. Patients will click a link in Rupa that brings them to a screen where they'll be prompted to send themselves an activation email. The email will welcome them to Fullscript and include a link to access their account. If they already have a Fullscript account, the link will take them straight to it. If they don't, they'll be asked to create a password before being taken to their new account. Patients will find all of their historical data and any new lab orders waiting, along with past results, as soon as they land in Fullscript. But keep in mind, your patient will still need to purchase any unpaid orders sent from Rupa before you move to Fullscript. And while their past orders and test results will transfer over to Fullscript, they'll continue to have access to all of that account information on Rupa in view-only mode. And we always have a world-class customer support team ready to help them with any problems and answer any questions. Making this move painless on your practice and your patients is a top priority. That's why we're working hard to set you up for success, and we'll be by your side at every step.